So hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project teaser of ANP New Launch, which is located near Banergaon, Baner and developed by ANP Corp. Now let's discuss about the below points like which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeterias, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before getting into the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer and give you the bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform, so book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. Now let's go and have a look at the project overview. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं project overview की. The ANP project will be constructed on 10 acres of land parcel consisting of 9 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 33 floors and having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. So now coming to the location part, project is just located near Pancard Club Road, Banergaon, Baner, Pune. And if हम connectivity की बात करें तो आपको बानेर का डीमार्ट मिल जाता है within 2.6 किलोमीटर, राधा चौक मिल जाता है within 3.2 kilometer. So now moving forward to your amenities part, project has 35 plus luxurious amenities like outdoor gym, clubhouse, kids play area, multi-purpose court, swimming pool, but in which you are getting kids pool and pool deck also, and many more. So now coming to the carpet area, project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences starting with 3 BHK 1250 square feet carpet area and 4 BHK starting from 2300 square feet carpet area. So now let's discuss about the booking process. Our UI windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will explain you the complete location tour and give you the payment and EMI schemes also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the UI process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of ANP New Launch, which is located near Banergaon, Baner and developed by ANP Corp. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखने चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.